Disproportionately deadly. The CDC says the COVID-19 pandemic has hit America's black communities especially hard. 13.8% of African Americans tested come back positive, almost twice as high as non-Hispanic white Americans. Blacks are also more than 3.5 times more likely to be hospitalized, and the death rate is almost 3 times as high.
It's serious.
NAACP Arlington chapter president Elisa Simmons fears, despite these alarming numbers, black communities will be less likely to get vaccinated.
Some of us are not going to be the first in line.
But the concern extends beyond just COVID-19. The CDC says African Americans are less likely to receive other vaccinations. For example, 10% less likely to be vaccinated for HPV or the seasonal flu.
There is a history of medical mistrust amongst the African American community.
That's why the organization streamed this panel discussion on Tuesday with doctors and nurses of color.
It's got to be people that look like us, that we feel like we can trust.
Dr. Torrance Steptoe highlighted the importance of dispelling rumors.
Nobody is trying to inject something into you that's going to change your DNA. Nobody is trying to put a tracking device in you.
While Tarrant County Public Health Director Vinny Taneja said teaching about racial inequities is also key.
We just can't have this equity gap. It's a bad thing for our community.
Simmons says access to reliable information is the best way for families to make up their own minds, and it already seems to be working, at least for one person.
I was not jumping up and down to be the first in line, but after what I heard last night, I'm going to go ahead and get in line.
In Arlington, I'm Eric Alvarez.